Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Today in this morning we will discuss about third chapter of the computer subject is computer a very useful machine. Students, through the first chapter we discuss about what is machines and what are machines. So now we discuss about computer is a machine. So look at this picture students and try to understand these points. So here a computer is an electronic machine. It is a special machine which can work faster than humans, where other machines can do only one or two tasks at a time. A computer can do multiple tasks at one time. Students, a computer is an electronic machine or it's a device. It is a special machine which can work faster than human. But on the other hand, we can see that machines can do only one or two tasks at one time. But computer can do multiple tasks at one time. Students, this is the picture of Charles Babbage. So Charles Babbage was the father of the computer. So now question is arise that who was the father of the computer? So you say that Charles Babbage was the father of the computer, and Charles Babbage was invent first computer. Now we are moving to our another part is features of a computer. So first point is computer stores a lot of information. So computer stores a lot of information and it works very fast. Another point is it can do many things at a time. It never gets tired. It makes our work easier. It remembers many things. It never makes mistakes. So students, this is the important points and features. So you must remember this. So computer store a lot of information. It can work very fast. It can do many things. It never gets tired. It makes our work easier. And it remember many things and never makes mistakes. Now moving to our another part is computer can do many things. So students, through computer we can learn things, we can calculate any mathematical problem, we can play games, we can teach any subject, we can draw, we can send and receive message, we can play music, and we can show any movies and many others. Now another point is where are computer used and which place we can use computer. First picture is in school and college. So in school and college we can use computer, and we can use computer at homes, in banks, at airports, in office, at railway station, in retail stores and in hospitals. So students, computer can use in schools, college, at homes, in banks, at airports, in office, at railway stations, in retail stores and in hospital. So you remember these points. Students, now our discussion is finished. So today I have given 2 homework for you. So all of you try to write this question is, first question is write all features of a computer, and second question is write any 7 places where computer can be used, and you write in your computer copy and show me in the evening class. Thank you students, have a great day ahead.